Welcome back everybody. Today we are looking at a formula for the area of a triangle. This formula is half AB sine C. Now just to recap, this is for non-right angle triangles and we need to know how to label non-right angle triangles. If you've seen my video on sine and cosine rule already, you will know how to do this. So we do one angle is capital A, the other opposite side is small a, another angle is capital B, with small b being the opposite side, and then capital C is an angle, small c is the opposite angle. And it looks like this. Similarly, I'll show you that one more time. We have A, small a, B, small b, C, small c. And that's how you label a non-right angle triangle. Now, for our formula, we only need to know A, B, and C. A and B being the sides. And so we have A and B are two sides, and capital C is the angle between them. So this formula is going to help you find the area if you know two sides and the angle between them. Okay? So let me show you an example of this. We have area equals half AB sine C, as we know. And we have two lengths, 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters, and we are also given the angle between them, which is 39 degrees. We're going to put these numbers into the formula, like that. I'll show you that again. So the 5 centimeters is the A, that's going to go in A. The 6 centimeters is the B, that's going to go there. And the 39 degrees is the angle between them, which is the C. And they go in just like that, and we have this formula. Now it's time to get out your calculator and you type this in. When you type this in, you should get 9.44 centimeters squared. Remember, this is area, so you have to put the centimeters squared on the end as the units. Okay. There's some practice questions here for you to try. Pause the video now, use your calculator and see if you get the correct answer for the area of these shapes. I'll reveal the answers in 3, 2, 1. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. You may need to rewatch the video again if you'd like more time with this. Thank you for watching today guys. Remember to comment, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for future videos that you want help with, please email me or comment and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a good day.